Okay, so hello guys from SBS Nuremberg, also from our robot. My name is Stefan Lutz. I'm the CEO and founder of Lunes GmbH in Augsburg, and soon to be founder of our new project, Lunes Robotics.
So what do you do with the robot?
So probably most of you have seen some humanoid robots jumping, dancing, doing crazy things, but maybe you've also asked yourself, what are the practical use cases for these industrial robots? And this is exactly what we are trying to do. So we are using industrial robots, not just the unitary one, also different kinds of robots, to use them in industrial applications. That means we are going to start out with simple tasks like operating a machine. That means opening the lid of a machine, for example, CNC milling machines, taking metal parts outside of the machine, putting new ones in, and like this, making the life of the operators easier, because otherwise they would be standing there having to do this very simple, very boring tasks by themselves and waiting in between.
Because there are some amazing tools coming to the world, to the market, but the question is, it would be great if they had some kind of autonomy and some brains.
Yes.
I don't want to actually control it. I want to tell it what to do.
Yes.
Is it going to happen?
Yes, this is exactly what we are doing. So like I said, different to other providers, we are not trying to solve all the problems at once. We are trying to start out with simple use cases and then take it from there. But making these use cases done reliably, autonomously, and suitable for the industry.
So how could you use the G1 usefully for the industry, for example?
Yeah, like I said, we have a cooperation partner, which is a producer of CNC milling machines. And there the task is very simple. It is just taking parts out of the machine, putting new parts into the machine, which is a task that is currently done by humans. There's a lot of users of these machines, so with this one simple use case, we already
and it can do it.
Huh?
Already it can do this.
We are working.
Or are you working towards it?
We are working towards it. We are ready to show how it can pick and place. Like I said, I will send you the video of it then.
Yeah, and over here I see the demo about the chess. What is this demo about?
This demo is to get our software developers to the level we need. We do a lot of internal training. And for this, since we are working always with hardware, we also need some hardware for our internal training. And this is one of our teaching machines, which our junior developers program, and we keep on improving. So on every fair, we try to improve this chess machine a little bit more. So at the moment here, you can play against the computer, and it will physically execute the movements.
So how does it work that for you to develop these solutions? Is it you use AI models and customize some things and add stuff? Create a program?
So in general, our approach is to make it as reliable as possible. That also means to make it as simple as possible. But of course, we also use AI, very useful. So for example, for the robot, when it does detect objects, we use VLMs, which we specifically train for so it can detect the kind of parts it needs to do its task. And for specific gripping tasks, we will use VLAs, which are visual language and action models, where you can teleoperate the robot and then teach it just with your hands how to grip, for example, this part here. I would show him the movement like 100 times, like this, and then when I make him do it himself, he will have it figured out, and this is how we solve these difficult gripping tasks.
And here at the SPS show, if this guy can beat the robot on chess, can you win the robot, or what's the
That's
prize?
what I keep telling people. So far, no one has won, so it's still open.
It's pretty impossible, right?
Yeah. I don't know.
You have to be better than the best chess model.
Yes.
All right.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptop to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats. HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging, education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.